Imagine waking up tomorrow, checking your phone and seeing money rolling into your account without lifting a finger. And the same the next day and every day from now on. This is not impossible. In fact, you are just one step away from breaking free from the affiliate hamster wheel and creating passive income streams that will work for you 24/7. But there's a catch. You've probably been told to catch the wave of product launches, hoping, with your fingers crossed, that you can squeeze a few sales while the big guns grab the lion's share every time, leaving you with a few crumbs, and more often than not, nothing to show for your efforts. So you spin your wheels and try again. It's frustrating, exhausting, and a quick road to going broke. Don't beat yourself up, this isn't your fault. All that's happened is that people set themselves up as marketing gurus, when in fact, they're recycling and regurgitating the same ideas they've picked up from somebody else. I'm about to show you a way to flip the script, a modern way that harnesses the power of AI to enable you to generate income from affiliate offers that will keep flowing in for months, sometimes even years. And no, I'm not talking about working harder or learning any complex tech, and certainly, there's no gambling your hard-earned money on ads. This is about leveraging free AI tools you're probably already familiar with, but didn't know how to use this way. ChatGPT is my favorite tool for this method. This AI powerhouse can unlock hidden sales angles in any offer. Angles the regular affiliates will overlook entirely. In fact, they're not even looking for them at all. By using the right prompts, you'll uncover markets, keywords, and messages that other marketers miss entirely. This gives you an unbeatable edge over the competition, something that until now seemed impossible. You can use it in any market too. Use it with ClickBank products or Amazon products. Anything you can sell as an affiliate. These secrets, and more, are what you'll discover inside 60-Minute Money. In about a single hour, you will have a complete roadmap to turning any affiliate product or offer into an evergreen cash machine, without burnout, guesswork, or the frustration of endless trial and error. You'll know how to find profitable sales angles for even the most competitive products. You'll learn how to instruct AI to create compelling content that makes people want to buy in just 3 minutes. You'll know how to develop a full marketing strategy in under 10 minutes. And you can adapt the 60-Minute Money system to any marketplace: Amazon, Warrior Plus, ClickBank, in fact, anywhere. Best of all, you get lifetime access to all the training materials and bonus prompts. This is such a new idea that I wouldn't blame you if you were skeptical. First, I should point out that 60-Minute Money isn't based on trendy hacks, nor does it rely on shady tactics. Rather, it's built on timeless marketing principles, which will always work because they tap into human psychology, the way we behave, and evergreen strategies. As well as that, you get a full 90-day money-back guarantee, so there's no reason for you not to check this offer out. In the description below this video, you'll find a link that will take you to the sales page. There's also a coupon code for a whopping $50 discount. You can just paste it in the coupon box at checkout, but let me give you fair warning. The coupon will expire after 250 uses, so unless you want to pay full price, which is still excellent value by the way, don't sit on this. Click the link below this video. Make sure you copy the coupon to grab your $50 discount and make your passive income a reality.